Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're gonna do another quick fix on Dodge Chrysler Jeep vehicles with this Thunderbolt issue on your dash. Now, a lot of times, if you guys have looked for an answer for this Thunderbolt issue that's on your dash, a lot of suggestions of changing the throttle body because your car is probably going to be running in limp mode. You're probably going to be driving rough. It's probably going to be running rough. It's probably not going to acceleration is going to be rough. You're probably going to have acceleration issues over 20 miles per hour. It's going to be in limp mode. It's going to be in limp mode. It's going to be in limp mode. And if you take it to the shop, if you take it to the dealership, a lot of times what they'll do is they'll suggest that you replace the throttle body. But I'm going to give you guys a quick fix if you guys have this issue, and hopefully this will fix the issue for you. Now, a lot of times this will happen if you just changed out the battery, but it could essentially happen at any time. And this fix is pretty simple. A lot of people end up towing their car or the truck because of this issue. A lot of people have the cars at the shop waiting for the throttle body to be changed out. When the throttle body is changed out, they still end up having this issue and wasting their money and their time. But let's go on to the fix, because especially if you had no issues with the throttle body before having this Thunderbolt light on your dash. If you didn't have any issues before and all you did was probably changed out the battery, or for whatever reason it started driving with this problem, it could be an electrical glitch in the system. But here's a pretty simple fix, and essentially this is essentially a reset for this problem. And to be honest with you guys, you gotta do this particularly if you guys changed out the battery. There is a relearn procedure on your cars, in your car's computer, if you actually did change out the battery. So here's what you're gonna do. Okay, this is essentially the relearn procedure for this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your key in the ignition, and you're gonna have it in the off position. Now, if you had it in the on position, you should probably take it out and then pop it in. It's on the off position. Okay. What you're going to do next is you are going to turn it to the on position. The on position is the position on your ignition where it's before the crank. It's the position where all the lights on your dash are on, but your engine is not running. All right, when you guys have it in that position, what you guys are going to do is keep it in that position. What's going to happen is, so essentially what you're going to do is you're going to leave it in that position. You're going to leave it in that position. The check engine light, what it's going to do is it's going to be solid at first, but it's going to start blinking afterwards. All right, so it's going to keep on blinking, all right, but it's going to stop blinking. When it stops blinking, what you're going to do is you're going to press the pedal down, all the way down, and you're going to slowly release it. So essentially, after you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your car off, and then you're going to turn your car on. So when you turn your car on, your issue with the Thunderbolt light should be cleared because the system has reset itself, relearn, whatever the issue is. If you guys changed up the battery, it should have relearned that the battery has been changed up, or for whatever reason, if there was a glitch and this happened because of the glitch, it should actually just reset the system for you. So again, if you guys run into a situation with the Thunderbolt light, all right, have the key in the off position, turn it to the on position. The on position is the position before the crank. You don't want to crank it up. All right. The check engine light should be solid, and then it should start blinking. And then after blinking for, I don't know, however long, it's gonna, like, it's a short period, it's gonna blink, and it's gonna be off. Sorry, not off, but it's gonna be solid. It's gonna blink multiple times, and it's going to be solid again. When it's solid, what you're going to do is you're going to put your foot on the accelerator, all right, and then you're going to slowly release it, turn your car off and turn your car on. Okay, so the check engine light is going to be solid, it's going to blink, it's going to be solid again. When it becomes solid again, you're going to put your foot on the you're going to press the gas pedal, the accelerator, all the way down, and then you're going to slowly release it, turn it off, turn it on, and you should actually be good with the situation. It should clear the Thunderbolt light from your dash. You guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right, guys, take care.